in linen. Pakistan is the fifth most populous country in the world, having 41st largest economy growing at an average rate of
English-speaking countries, that is in Azerbaijan. So basically the aim of these type of organization is to serve that country. It is that country. So the aim of this organization was basically to serve Pakistan. Maybe later on there will be some international staff over here, as our president is from Jordan. This is just regarding the International Parliamentarian Congress and how important it is to Pakistan.
जिस तरीके से हमें वाशिंगटन में उन्होंने स्टेट डिपार्टमेंट में वेलकम किया था, वहीं से हमें महसूस हो गया था कि कुछ हमारी बेहतरी आई है। डिपार्टमेंट से उनमें है चीजें जिनको ठीक करने की जरूरत है और आहिस्ता आहिस्ता वो ठीक हो रही है इंशाल्लाह ताला, क्योंकि जमाना बदल चुका है। अब वो पुराना फसूदा निजाम नहीं चल सकता।
And bringing our triangular partners together. So by a triangle, I mean the industry, I mean the academia and international diplomatic community. Aspirations and the previous things which were going on is sometimes going into the distance. That's a sad part of it. And when I'm meeting to international communities, especially because I'm important not only for the local businesses but for the foreign investors as well. Because when we are talking to diplomatic missions, many investors from different countries wanted to participate and wanted to invest in Pakistan because we are a country of a population of 250 million.
You must have gone through, and today, as we have some representatives from the pharmaceutical companies and corporate sectors, so we would like more to listen from them. And while doing the business here in Pakistan, even when we interact with the diplomats, our foreign companies, they always say we prefer to do trade with you, but not investment in your country. Because there is another challenge of profit repatriations in our country as well. And when we are talking about the industry, we are facing energy rates very high, and there's interest rate still is very high, like 11%. FPCCI remained very vocal against this interest rate.
For 1 year extension till the year 2026. Measuring the progress track of the committee with the expertise of each member and guidance of the convener, 27 events have been conducted, including meetings with the diplomats, corporate heads, foreign delegates and government officials from 2024 till now. Furthermore, the committee had supported and promoted the post-budget stance taken by the president of FPCCI to provide an aid to the business community covering all aspects. This will be the marker of the progress and setting the benchmark by the
very hard with full dedication, and they have really done a lot of good meetings and good projects in the recent past. And thank you, Madam Senator Sitara.